In this tutorial, you'll learn how to clone a remote Git repository, enabling you to work with an existing project or collaborate with a team. Cloning is a fundamental operation that helps you obtain a copy of a remote repository on your local machine using the git clone command. Cloning a remote repository allows you to access existing projects, collaborate with teams, and contribute to open-source software. Prerequisites: before you begin, make sure you have Git installed on your computer. If you haven't installed Git yet, please refer to our tutorial on Git installation for your specific operating system. Step 1 is to open your terminal. If you're using Mac OS or Linux, open your terminal. On Windows, you can use Git Bash or the Windows command prompt. Step 2 is to navigate to your desired project directory. Decide on the directory where you want to clone the remote repository, and use the cd command to navigate to that location. Step 3 is to clone the remote repository. Open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, look for a sample GitHub repository named Hello World. Once you find it, click on the HTTPS clone option to copy the repository's URL. Clone command followed by the URL of the remote repository you want to clone. Step 4. Verify the cloning process. After running the git clone command, you'll see Git fetching the remote repository and copying it to your local machine. Once the process is complete, you'll have a local copy of the remote repository. After cloning it, you'll notice that there's one README file, mirroring the content from the remote repository. You can now make changes to the local copy of the repository, commit your work, and even push changes back to the remote repository if you have the necessary permissions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.